Hello, beautiful brave hearts. Shalu here from Barrie, Ontario. Just hopping on to say happy Monday and share my thought with you. I was thinking about how, we want things to change. We all want to change, but we expect change when we're not willing to change. And I used to love listening to Dr. Wayne Dyer, and he used to talk about when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. And that is just so important because perspective is so important. When we're angry and we feel hurt and we're looking at the situation from a place of hurt or anger, our reaction, because we will react to it, will be very different than if we were to take a couple seconds to just take a breath and connect with our Lionheart breathing and then go, okay, what do I really want here? And for us to take that second to even breathe in between instead of just reacting, that is a change, right? Because we're used to just reacting. How many people listen to a conversation, but they're not really listening? They're formulating in their head how they're going to react, what they're going to say. They're truly not even listening. And so when we're in those heated situations where, we're getting angry or we're, feeling hurt because of what someone else is saying to us, we're ready to strike back. And if we could just take a second to just go, you know what? I know I've played this game many times before. I know how this story ends, but I want to write a different story. I want a different outcome. And that all begins with us changing how we're responding instead of reacting, And so when you change that little bit and you take that breath, take a moment to center yourself, and then respond instead of react, the whole situation changes. Everything changes because you changed. It's not the same old. So, we're talking about the BraveHeart Healing Circle. I'm thinking about it and going, wow, there's so much that we're going to be sharing in this circle, little tools, little tips that we're going to be giving to help people change so that the change they're hoping for starts to become more visible, right? Because we can sit here and we can pray till the cows come home for things to change, but if nothing changes. And yet we sit there and expect other people to change. The change has to come from us, from within us. And Gandhi said, become the change you wish to see in the world, right? So when we start to imbibe all of that within ourselves, it's really amazing how everything changes. I mean, I've got 3 adult children, and ever since I've changed the way I look at things, ever since I've changed everything from my oh my God, I used to have so many expectations. There were so many boxes to check off that, my children should do this and this and this and this. And it did nothing but just cause stress and strain on the relationship. But ever since I changed and I said, you know what, just be. I know you're a good, loving human being because that's what I know I did teach them how to be. And the more I let go of all those judgments that I placed on them in the past, the easier it is for them to let go of those judgments, to go, really, I don't have to do this. Like, we don't have to look at it from this perspective. There could be a different way. And absolutely there is. And the more you come from a place of love, the more you come from a place of acceptance, first and foremost for yourself, it's so much easier to just, dish it out to everyone around us. So, I hope you're having a beautiful day. We've got some nice sunny days here in Barrie. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we're going to be doing our healing circle on July 28th, 29th, 30th, and 31st. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, 705 828-2257, or go to braveheartnation.com. All the information is there. And also check out my website, lotuslife.health. I'm there for you. Anything you need, just give me a call. Have the best day ever. Lots of love.